Namo Sakyamuni Buddha. Dear Venerable Sangha, Buddhist ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Quickly Buddhist News in English on PSO TV channel. There are 6 major news of the week. Ho Chi Minh City, Buddhism deployed many important Buddhist activities in 2021. Buddhist Culture magazine in working session with Ho Chi Minh City Association for Conservation of Nature and Environment. Hanoi, the Vietnamese Korean Cultural Exchange Program Happy Lunar New Year, the Year of the Ox. Trà Vinh, Provincial Patriotic Monks Union awards Pali Khmer graduation certificates to Intermediate School Year 2020 graduates. Hanoi City Authority leaders visit the Hanoi Administrative Board of Vietnam Buddhist Sangha on the occasion of the Buffalo Lunar New Year. Kiên Giang, the trade fair of empathy for disadvantaged people in U Minh Thượng District. The following are the news in details. To reveal achievement of last year in order to decorate Buddhist activities in 2021 to a significant success, the Administrative Council of Ho Chi Minh City Vietnam Buddhist Sangha solemnly organized summary conference on the morning of January 26, 2021 at Vietnam Quốc Tử Pagoda, Ho Chi Minh City.
In witness, there were dignitaries from the border patrons, Administrative Council, and leaders from local authorities. Delivering the opening speech at the ceremony, Most Venerable Thích Thiện Tâm congratulated and evaluated the year 2020, with COVID-19 pandemic affecting many Buddhist activities of Ho Chi Minh City Vietnam Buddhist Sangha. However, the Ho Chi Minh City Administrative Council has guided in time so that the Buddhist activities in Ho Chi Minh City could be run steadily and developed. The significant achievements such as successfully organizing the Huệ Hưng Grand Retreat, Summer Retreat Buddhist Calendar 2564 with 110 points of summer retreats, organizing 10-day retreat for the leaders of Ho Chi Minh City Administrative Council at Vietnam Quốc Tự Pagoda. Ho Chi Minh City Department of Dharma Propaganda has successfully performed more than 3,000 Dharma talks at 379 ashrams, with more than 50,000 lady Buddhist followers attended. The Department of Rituals has successfully conducted the Dharma Conference of Tet Châu Buddhas of Medicine. The Department of Culture has successfully conducted the contest of Vow to be Philochild, drama of the theme of Ulamana, Culture of Human Love on the occasion of Ulamana, Buddhist Calendar 2564, for the pain of Vietnam's central provinces, candle lighting praying. The Department of Social Charities has emergently launched the Rice ATM at many charity monasteries, Zero Dong Supermarket to support people in time of quarantine, Meal of Love to deliver 100,000 charity meals, free offering face masks for epidemic prevention, financial support to equip negative pressure machine to Nguyễn Tri Phương Hospital. The department has contributed to the total social welfare cost up to 625 billion Vietnamese dong. Most Venerable Chairman of Administrative Council have praised the achievements of City Buddhists in 2020 and also guided direction for Buddhist activities for the year 2021 in order to celebrate 40 years of Vietnam Buddhist Sangha Foundation. Simultaneously, Most Venerable also suggested the planning of organizing for delegation conferences for district level, especially the completion of key personnel for Administrative Council of coming to Đức City. Delivering a compassionate message, Most Venerable Thích Trí Quảng believed that Ho Chi Minh City Buddhism has overcome the difficulties and challenges to gain the Buddhist activities achievement last year is a foundation to achieve mission in 2021. Most Venerable affirmed that, with a resilient and indomitable willings, all monks, nuns will tackle and overcome all difficulties, challenges to successfully achieve the assigned Buddhist activities mission. On this occasion, the Administrative Council of Ho Chi Minh City Buddhist Sangha has pressed the button to activate the Electronic Administration Office and offer 1,000 sets of gifts to people in difficult situations for the occasion of the Lunar New Year.
On the morning of January 25, 2021, at the Buddhist Culture Magazine editorial office, Ho Chi Minh City, the editorial board of the Buddhist Culture Magazine had a working session with the Ho Chi Minh City Association for Conservation of Nature and Environment.
Receiving the delegation, there were Most Venerable Dr. Thích Minh Nhuận, member of the Administrative Board, Standing Deputy Editor-in-Chief, and Reverend monks, members of the Buddhist Culture Magazine's editorial board. Venerable Thích Phước Nghiêm emphasized that the current environmental problem was a hot topic of all humanity. Humans have caused too much impact on the environment, exploited nature to the point of the exhaustion of resources, discharging many toxins, making the environment no longer able to decompose. Human awareness in the pursuit of environmental protection is currently at an alarming rate, leading to the gradual deterioration of the environment. Over the past years, the Vietnam Buddhist Sangha has deployed environmental protection work to pagodas and monasteries throughout the country. However, the proportion of the scrap in nylon and plastic waste is very high, and the awareness of waste classification is low, leading to difficulties in disposal of waste types, as well as having long-term environmental consequences. After the discussion, the two sides agreed to sign a cooperation and communication contract on the two news channels. Buddhist Culture Magazine, through in-depth articles on the magazine, reports, seminars, and colloquiums on Phật sự online channel, to communicate about the harmful effects of environmental pollution, awareness in littering, garbage classification, to spread the sense of responsibilities of environmental protection to the community. In addition, the communication and propagation subject will be included in the monastic retreats so that Buddhist practitioners could be aware of environmental protection and then turn it into this as a cultural feature of daily life.
On January 23, 2021, in Hanoi, the association liaison with Overseas Vietnamese and the Vietnam Buddhist Cultural Center in Korea co-organized the Vietnam-Korea Cultural Exchange Program, meeting to Happy Lunar New Year, the Year of the Ox 2021.
In participation and witness, there were Mr. Nguyễn Vũ Tùng, Vietnamese ambassador in Korea, Mr. Nguyễn Lân Dũng, Vice Chairman of Association Liaison with Overseas Vietnamese, Nan Thích Nữ Giới Tánh, Chairman of Buddhist Association, Director of Vietnam Buddhist Cultural Center in Korea, Mr. Lý Sương Căn, Ambassador of Vietnam Tourism in Korea, and representative of departments and Buddhists attended. On this occasion, the Vietnamese community at home and abroad shared the success of labor, will and woe, etc. after a year of hardship, influenced by the COVID-19 epidemic in the world. The program also has many activities, meeting overseas Vietnamese people, exchanging Vietnamese Korean arts, calligraphy, giving Tết gifts to families in difficult circumstances, honor businessmen, organizations, and individuals, etc. Ambassador Nguyễn Vũ Tùng expressed his honor to attend, and he said that this event has the meaning of creating a beautiful image of Vietnamese people to international friends, contributing to introducing Vietnamese culture, making contribution into the friendly relationship between Vietnam and Korea. Nan Thích Nữ Giới Tánh also shared, the Vietnamese community in Korea always try to study and work to thrive in life in the country, but always give special feelings toward the country. Nan wishes health and success to everyone on the occasion of preparing for the traditional New Year.
On the evening of January 24, 2021, the Provincial Patriotic Monks Union solemnly held a ceremony to award the certificate of the Pali Khmer Primary and Intermediate School Year 2020 at the Examination Council of Deep That Pagoda, Trà Vinh Province.
In witness, It was honored to have Most Venerable That Sok Saen, head of the organizing committee, together with Buddhist monks, local government leaders, and 474 monastic students. After the venerables performed the ritual of reciting Buddha's blessing and proclaiming the reason of the ceremony, Venerable Trương Hường, Vice Chairman of the Provincial Patriotic Monks Union, reported on the results of graduation from elementary and intermediate class of Pali, Khmer School Year 2020. Speaking at the ceremony, Most Venerable Đạo Như, Chairman of the Cần Thơ City Patriotic Monks Union, being happy in attending the ceremony, said that from 2007 until now, the Hinayana Buddhist Academy has run 6 courses and continues to operate the 7th course. The Most Venerable wished the monks enjoy the Buddha's 4 Dharma rules: long life, beauty, happiness, and strength. Mr. Kim Rương, head of the Mass Mobilization Division of the Provincial Party Committee, was also delighted with the results of this graduation exam. He suggested that Hinayana Buddhist Academy would continue to guide the candidates to attend and open a Khmer literature class in the summer for more Khmer students at the pagodas in the province to join hands in preserving and conserving the Khmer script, a prestige of the nation. The ceremony continued with the thankful speech of Most Venerable That Sok Saen, addressing the local leaders at all levels, generous sponsors, and the close solidarity between monks and pagodas with the Provincial Patriotic Monks Union for the exam to take place smoothly. At the end of the program, Venerable Kim Man, Secretary of the Provincial Patriotic Monks Union's Education Section, announced the results of the exam, awarded the diplomas and awards to candidates who achieved excellent results in the exam.
On January 22, 2021, at Ba Đá Pagoda, Hanoi City, the delegation of the City Party Committee, People's Culture, People's Committee, Vietnam Parallel Front Committee of Hanoi City visited with best wishes of the Lunar New Year to the Hanoi Administrative Council, Vietnamese Buddhist Sangha, on the occasion of the Buffalo Lunar New Year.
The delegation was led by Mr. Chu Ngọc Anh, member of the Party Central Committee, Deputy Secretary of the Party Committee, Chairman of Hanoi People's Committee. In a cordial reception, there were Most Venerable Thích Bảo Nghiêm, Vice Chairman of the Hanoi Administrative Council, Vietnam Buddhist Sangha, and Reverend monks in the Hanoi Standing Committee of Vietnam Buddhist Sangha. Mr. Chu Ngọc Anh said that the city had fulfilled a dual goal, both effectively preventing and combating the COVID-19 pandemic and developing socio-economic development with many targets exceeding the planned outputs. This result had been attributed to the contribution of the Vietnam Buddhist Sangha of Hanoi with monks, nuns, and Buddhist efforts in the recent years. Notably, it was the propaganda and campaigning to strictly implement measures to prevent and control the COVID-19 pandemic and call for the support of more than 1 billion Vietnamese dong to equip 2 negative pressure airborne isolation rooms at Hà Đông and Đức Giang General Hospitals. In addition, Buddhists in the capital also called for support of medical supplies, masks, and basic necessities, contributing to the city pandemic prevention and control. Most Venerable Thích Bảo Nghiêm also thanked the city leaders for their concern and said that he would continue to encourage all monks and nuns, Buddhists to have many beneficial for region, useful for life activities, showing the spirit of solidarity in the community, actively working, producing, contributing to building the capital to be increasingly developed.
In order to relieve the difficulties with the disadvantaged people on the occasion of the preparation to welcome the Lunar New Year, on the morning of January 24, 2021, with the grace of Venerable Thích Xuân Trí, member of the Vietnam Buddhist Sangha Committee of Bến Tre Province, the club Understanding and Sympathizing, operated by Buddhist Hoa Đức, in cooperation with the Vietnam Buddhist Center in U Minh Thượng District, organized a trade fair for the disadvantaged people in the area of two communes, Vĩnh Hòa and Hòa Chánh, in U Minh Thượng District, Kiên Giang Province.
Welcoming the team, there were Most Venerable Thích Phước Thắng, Vice Chairman of the Vietnam Buddhist Sangha, Kiên Giang Province, Head of the Buddhist Administrative Board of U Minh Thượng District, Ninh Thích Nữ Huệ Hiền, Subordinate of Buddhist Administrative Board of U Minh Thượng District, the Abbot of Phổ Hiền Pagoda, and representatives of the local government officials. Speaking at the ceremony, Venerable Thích Phước Thắng expressed his gratitude to the team for organizing a trade fair of empathy for the disadvantaged people in the area to celebrate the Spring Festival together. On behalf of the local authority, Mr. Yan Shifar also thanked the team for helping the local people celebrate a traditional New Year more adequately, and at the same time awarded certificates of merit to Venerable Thích Xuân Trí, and he also commemorated the Buddhist Hoa Đức and the club Understanding and Sympathizing with a token medal. At Phổ Hiền Pagoda, Vĩnh Hòa Commune, the team gave away 250 gifts to the disadvantaged people. On this occasion, the team also offered 4 wheelchairs to An Phước Pagoda, Rạch Giá City, as a donated gift sponsored by the Buddhists in Mỹ Tho and Bến Tre provinces. The team continued to give 250 essential gifts to the local people at Trúc Mai Pagoda, Hòa Chánh Commune. The total budget for this charity trip is worth approximately 210 million Vietnam dong, sponsored by members of the club Understanding and Sympathizing, the Buddhist, and the Charity Society of Linh Phước Pagoda.
Venerable monks and nuns, Buddhist ladies and gentlemen, the last news has signed off this quickly newsreel. Thank you for your attention and following. Goodbye and see you in the next program on PSO TV channel. Namo Sakya Muni Buddha.